Ronak. I'm a rising senior at Saratoga High School, and this is my first milestone video. So for this milestone, I installed a motor onto this coffee tin onto a piece of wood, and I also wired it with the motor controller. And I programmed it such that when I run it, it'll run for 5 seconds, then decelerate and then stop. So if I run the program while it's plugged in, it runs for 5 seconds, and then it slows down and it stops. So the main parts of this project of this milestone are there's the motor, then there's the wood on top, and then there's the motor controller. So the really hard parts of this project were first getting this motor flat onto the wood such that it can be installed. So in order to do that, I drilled 2 holes, one for each wire, and then I also had to drill a hole through the wood in order to get the wires out and it's not underneath the wood, and that allowed me to hot glue the motor and the wood down. The other difficult part was that this motor controller, which controls the speed of the motor and allows it to move, only worked for Windows and it didn't work for Mac, so I had to actually manually program through the socket on the Mac along with using like hexadecimal data that the motor could understand, and then I was able to move the motor. So it was a lot harder than it had to be. It took like 200 lines of code, but eventually the motor moves. And now my next milestone is going to be to install the stuff on the top that'll have the elements that need to be spun around. Thank you.